Saw a cat when I had today, chased its tail like it's gone insane. Neighbor stared but didn't complain, whiskers twitching in the pouring rain. Found a man who swears he's a wizard, turns the corner, poof goes a lizard. Magic tricks in a broken blazer, waves his wand, yeah, I'll see you later. Lost in the suburbs, nothing's the same. Every house hides a strange new gate. No map, no plan, just wander free. Curious tales for you and me. Met a dog who sings by the river, golden voice and made me shiver. Found a deer on a moonlit tether, sang of love in stormy weather. Every street a novel chapter, filled with laughter, terror and rapture. Adventure calls with no direction, embrace the chaos, find connection. Kids on bikes with capes and crowns, racing shadows up and down. Superheroes in their own town, dreams of flying, they won't drown. Lost in the suburbs, nothing's the same. Every house hides a strange new gate. No map, no plan, just wander free. Curious tales for you and me.